You so funny. You this. Stop it. Oh yeah, actually I need ammo. Free ammo. Yeah, we could.
Just go through.
Alright, we could do that. Because I mean, like I said, if we find for the queen, he's gonna give similar, not similar crown. Jesus, Luminite. This is the butt dude. I hate fighting him. It's easy because he don't come after you. I feel like he always comes after me.
Wow, it doesn't show the gray of me. I could see him perfectly over here.
Yeah, me too. Maybe there is no gray. Yeah, there is no gray. We just walking. Why are you shooting in the butt? I mean, he's preparing today's meat, and we're gonna be next if he kills us. I do not want to see what his face looks like. Look at his titties. Why would you want to see his face? Oh my god.
I shot him in the ass and he took away critical. It was hilarious.
Wow, Sam, you okay?
No.
I'm doing critical damage in every butt cheek. Why am I running out? Oh my gosh. I tried to get the Chicago type right in my. Oh, I hate this attack. Sam, run! Oh wait, no, don't run towards me! He got me. He always runs towards me. I hate you, Sam. Get John killed.
I was trying to pick him up.
Pick me up, please.
I'm trying to.
Sam, watch out! Oh my god! You got me knocked down. Sam, you want me worse? And wait, stand still for like 2 seconds so I can just friendly does that. Sam, I hate you. Touch it.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Literally, I just saw him launch that, oh dude, I did like 540.
I'm gonna save that.
I'm sorry. Jesus.
I'm gonna save that and send it to you guys in Snap. It was hilarious the way I saw it.
My armor is too heavy. He's coming from me. I'm running towards Sam. He's still weak. Because he's breaking these bases. They're inside the bases. Yes. Finally! Oh Lord, Sam boy, you ain't right. You ain't right, Sam. You ain't